students, in this lesson we are going to see some multiple choice questions in chapter drainage. First question is, which one of the following place is located on the water divide between the Indus and the Ganges? First option is Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. It is the place where Yamuna and Ganges river converge. Ambala in Haryana is the right answer. It is exactly located between the water divide between the Indus and the Ganges river. So answer is B. Next question is, which one of the following is not true about the Himalayan rivers? First option, river flow in the Himalayan rivers are seasonal. Whether it is seasonal? No. It is perennial. So this is information is not true about Himalayan rivers. So the first option is correct. River flow in the Himalayan rivers are seasonal. Rather it is perennial. All other options are correct. They have long courses, they carry a lot of silt, they form thick delta in their mouth. They are all correct. The only option that is not correct about the Himalayan rivers is they are seasonal. The next question is, which one of the following is true about Narmada and Tabi rivers? First option, Narmada and Tabi rivers are suitable for navigation. No, it is not suitable. They are not suitable. Next option is, Narmada and Tabi form delta in their mouth. No, they don't form delta in their mouth. Narmada and Tabi form estuaries in their mouth. Yes, they form estuaries in their mouth. That is the right answer. That is exactly true about Narmada and Tabi rivers. So the correct option is C. Next question is, which river has the largest basin in peninsular India? Which river has the largest basin in peninsular India? Option, Narmada, Kaveri, Krishna and none of the above. Which river has the largest basin? Godavari river has the largest basin in peninsular India. So the answer is none of the above. Option D. Next question. When was the river Indus Water Treaty signed between India and Pakistan? The year 1985, 1999, 1956, 1960. The correct option is 1960. This is period when Indus Water Treaty was signed between India and Pakistan. In 1956, India was reorganized based on language. In 1999, that was the year when Kargil War was fought between India and Pakistan. 1985, this is the year when Ganga Action Plan was inaugurated. So the Indus Water Treaty year is 1960. And answer is D. Bhagirathi and Alakananda both are two headwaters of Ganga. Join at which place? What is the place where Bhagirathi and Alakananda join together to form Ganga river? The correct answer is Devaprayak. Devaprayak in Uttarakhand state is the place where Bhagirathi and Alakananda join to form the Ganga river. The correct option is A. Next question is, how much part of the Indus river basin exists in India? 2/3, 1/4, 3/4 or 1/3? The correct answer is 1/3. Option D. Next question is, at which place the rivers Sutlej, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas join with the Indus? First option, Pathankot, Rajkot, Kotli and Maidankot. Maidankot in Pakistan is the right answer. It is the place where all the tributaries join with Indus. Next question is, which one of the following tributaries of Ganga originates from Central Highland? First option, Kontak and Kosi. B, Kakra and Kontak. C, Sambal and Sun. D, Sambal and Yamuna. Look at the first option, Kontak and Kosi. Both are both rivers, both tributaries originate from Nepal Himalaya. So it is a northern tributary. It is not the southern tributary. Kokra and Kontak, both are originating from Nepal Himalayas. So these two are also northern tributaries of Ganga. Sambal and San, both are southern tributaries. They both originate in Central Highland in Peninsular Plateau. Fourth option is Sambal and Yamuna. You can clearly understand the Yamuna originate in Yamunotri glacier in Uttarakhand state. So it is also not the right answer. So correct answer is option C, Sambal and San. Which is the largest delta in the world? Largest delta in the world. Sundarban delta, Godavari delta, Kaveri delta and Krishna delta. Correct answer is Sundarban delta, option A. Next question. What is the other name of Brahmaputra in Tibet? Jiao Yang, Yang Chiao, Shangpo, Po Sang. Sangpo is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Next question. Brahmaputra river significantly changes its direction at Namcha Parva peak. What's it? It takes L-turn, it takes inverted L-turn, it takes U-turn, it takes inverted U-turn. The correct answer is it takes U-turn. Option C is the right answer. Next question. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra join in Bangladesh. The mighty river obtained after joining is called as dash. Bhagirathi, Kukli, Yamuna, Meghna. Meghna is the right answer. That is the name given to the river after joining Ganga and Brahmaputra. Next question. The Brahmaputra carries low silt while flowing through Tibet. Why? Because the silt is low in Tibet. Silt itself is low in Tibet. That is not the right answer. Rainfall is high in Tibet. That should not be the right answer. If rainfall is high in a place, the river course in that area carries larger silt due to high erosion arising out of rainfall. So, high rainfall in Tibet is not the right answer. People obstruct rivers from carrying silt. Tibetan people obstruct rivers from carrying silt. They collect carrying silt? No. That is not the right answer. Rainfall is low in Tibet. That is the right answer. Low rainfall in a place leads to low erosional activity. So, silt load in that region also very low. So, answer option D is the right answer. Rainfall is low in Tibet. Next question is, which is the largest riverine island formed by the Brahmaputra river? Manjuli Island, Devar Island, Bhavani Island, Srirangam Island. Srirangam Island is located in Kaveri. There is also a riverine island formed by the Kaveri. Bhavani Island is formed by the tributary of Kaveri, Bhavani. There is also a riverine island, but the largest island is Majuli Island. It is formed by Brahmaputra in Assam state. Option A. Next question is, Marble Rocks is associated with which of the following peninsular river? Narmada, Tabi, Periyar, Krishna. Marble Rocks is associated with option A, the Narmada river. Danudar Falls also is associated with Narmada river. Which river is called as the Dakshin Ganga of India? The Godavari river is called as Dakshin Ganga of India. Option B is the right answer. Narmada, Kaveri, Krishna are not called as Dakshin Ganga. Godavari is called as Dakshin Ganga because it has more basin area in peninsular India, just like Ganga has more area in northern India. Which is the largest saltwater lake in India? Sambar Lake is the largest saltwater lake in India. Option B, that is it located in Rajasthan state. Next question is, which is the largest freshwater lake in India? Ular Lake is the right answer. That is located in Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory. Ular Lake is formed at T2. What has formed Ular Lake? Tectonic activity. Option C. Which of the following rivers make estuary? West flowing river Narmada and Tabi both form estuaries in their mouth with the ocean. C. The Narmada river is the right answer in the given options. Option B is the right answer. Next question is, which of the following lake is artificial? Pulicat Lake, Ular Lake, Hirakud, Sambar Lake. Sambar Lake, Ular Lake, Pulicat Lake are all natural lakes, whereas the Hirakud Lake alone is artificial lake that is located in Mahanadi river and in Odisha. Option C is the right answer. Next question is, the CAP was started in the year. CAP means Kanga Action Plan was started in the year 1985. Option C is the right answer. Next question is, the source of river Narmada is at Amarkantak, Pelur district, Melur district, Nasik district. Nasik district is the place where Godavari river originates. Melur district is located in Tamil Nadu. It is not the origin of any of the rivers in Tamil Nadu, let alone Narmada river. Pelur district is the origin place for Tabi river. Amarkantak is the place of origin of Narmada river. Option A is the correct answer. The Varda is a tributary of which of the following river? Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. Varda river is a tributary of Godavari. Option B is the right answer. The drainage basin of which of the following rivers covers part of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu? Kaveri is the river that covers the part of Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and also Puducherry. That union territory of Puducherry also is covered by Kaveri river. Kaveri River Water Dispute Authority allocate some quantum of water to Puducherry also. Answer is D. Which of the following states are Nainital and Bhimtal located? Uttarakhand is the right answer. Nainital is a place in Uttarakhand. Bhimtal also is located in Uttarakhand. Option is Z. Which of the following is not true about the reverse pollution? It is caused by untreated sewage. It is true. It is caused by untreated effluents from industries. It is also true. It is caused by heavy rainfall. It is not true about, because high rainfall washes away sewages and pollutants and carry them to sea. So it is not the cause of reverse pollution. It is caused by dumping of garbages. It is also true about river pollution. The one that is not true about river pollution is it is caused by high rainfall. So the option is C. Which of the following describes drainage patterns resembling branches of a tree? Radial, centrifugal, trellis, dendrite. Dendritic pattern is the tree-like pattern which is noticed in the Ganga drainage system. D. Dendritic system is the tree-like drainage pattern. Which of the following is the second largest river of peninsular India? Krishna river is the second largest river. Option B. The Godavari is the largest river of peninsular India. Next question is, which of the following is an artificial lake located in Andhra Pradesh? Nagarjuna Sagar is an artificial lake located in Andhra Pradesh. Kolluru Lake is a natural lake. Krishnaraja Sagar is located in Karnataka. It is artificial lake. Silika Lake it is located in Odisha. So Nagarjuna Sagar is the artificial lake located in Andhra Pradesh. Option A is the correct answer. Which one of the following is a southern tributary of Ganga? Kankar, Kosi, Son, Petwa. Son and Petwa are both are southern tributaries of Ganga. C and D is the right answer. Next question is, which of the following rivers rises from a spring near Mahabaleshwar? Mahabaleshwar, Krishna river originates near Mahabaleshwar. Option B is the right answer. Which of the following waterfall is the second biggest in India? Jog, Danudar, Kutalam and Sivasamudram. Answer D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. Sivasamudram Falls is the second biggest waterfalls in India. First biggest waterfall is Chitrakoot waterfalls. Next question is answer the questions given below. Nagarjuna Sagar is located across the river. Which river? Krishna river is the right answer. Next question. The river which originates from a place known as Pyas Kund. Which river originates from Byas Kund? Byas river. The river which rises in the Petul district of Madhya Pradesh and flows westwards. Which river rises in Petul district? Answer is Tabi river. Next question is the river which was known as the Sara of West Bengal. Damodar is the right answer. The river on which the reservoir of Indira Gandhi Canal has been built. The Sutlej river. The river whose source lies near Rohtang Pass. Pyas river. The longest river of peninsular India is Godavari. Next question is a tributary of Indus originating from Himachal Pradesh. Zenab river. The longest river of India is the Ganga river. The longest river of India is the Ganga river. Only the longest river of peninsular India is Godavari river. River flowing through fault drains into Arabian Sea. Narmada and Tabi both run through fault and drains into Arabian Sea. A river of South India which receives rainwater both in summer and winter. That is Kaveri. It receives in summer season as well as in winter season. A river which flows through Ladakh, Gilgit and Pakistan. The Indus river. An important river of Indian desert. The Luni river. The river which joins Zenab in Pakistan. The Jhelum river which joins Zenab in Pakistan. A river which rises in Yamunotri glacier, Yamuna river. Next question is the world's largest drainage basin is Amazon. Which river is called Dikong when it enters Arunachal Pradesh? Brahmaputra river. The Lohit is the tributary of which river? That is also Brahmaputra river. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.